Hi, I'm Juliet, and today I'm talking about customising the toolbar in Scrivener. There are always things you don't use on the toolbar, so why not customise it and get it to work for you? First off, you have two toolbar areas on your screen. There's the Format toolbar and the Main toolbar. Customise toolbars is found under the Tools menu. The window that comes up is probably fairly familiar to you if you've customised toolbars in other applications. On the left you have things that you can put onto your toolbars, and on the right you have the things that are on the toolbars. Above that you can toggle between the Format toolbar and the Main toolbar. I never use the full screen icon on my toolbar, so I'm going to remove that. Click on it to highlight it, and click on the left arrow. Now I'm going to add something in to fill that space, and rulers seems like a thing that I might use more often. So all I have to do is highlight that and click on the right arrow. As you can see, it's appeared before compile, and compile is far more likely to be something I'd use than rulers, so I'm going to reorder them. You just use the up and down arrows for that. You'll see there are also separators. You can move those up and down too if you want to. So why not customise the look of your toolbars today? Here's a whole lot of other Scrivener videos you can watch. Thank you for watching, and if you've subscribed, I'll see you next time.